Hello busy professionals and entrepreneurs, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alisa Ploko, I'm a personal branding strategist on LinkedIn, and in today's video I'm going to answer for a question: how would I create a good LinkedIn profile with zero experience? So basically this is what I've commented on this question. If you have zero experience with LinkedIn, then you should first familiarize yourself with this platform and learn from others how to create an all-star LinkedIn profile. Now, learning about how to create an all-star LinkedIn profile is a must. The only difference is which source are you going to use to learn from. Nowadays, there are many sources available for this: YouTube, LinkedIn Learning, online courses, etc. If you learn from different sources, you will get an idea. However, the best option is to copy-paste somebody else's success, meaning learn directly from somebody who already did it. For this purpose, an online LinkedIn course or a guiding step-by-step video will save you both time and money. For a good start, check the video, and I'll link the video, one of my videos about how to create an all-star LinkedIn profile, and I'm going to link it below. I'll post the link below this video so that you can use it as well. Let me just give you a brief about it. Well, voila, so here's the video. It's called How to Get 9 Times More Views on LinkedIn, but it basically leads you through all the parts of the LinkedIn profile and how to set up an all-star LinkedIn profile. It will definitely save you time. It's just a little bit above 10 minutes long, but it is basically a step-by-step guide for you on how to create a LinkedIn profile with all of its part fulfilled. So basically an all-star, when somebody says all-star LinkedIn profile, you might wonder, what does that mean? It means simply that all parts of your LinkedIn profile are fulfilled, starting with your name, headline, photo, LinkedIn banner, then going all the way through the summary section, experience, volunteer experience, adding recommendations and skills endorsements, as well as some rich media. I mean, anything that could improve your the visibility of your LinkedIn profile, and anything that can help you achieve your goals on LinkedIn. So somebody can be on LinkedIn for the purpose of getting the job. Somebody else can be on LinkedIn for the purpose of getting new clients, for prospecting, or for their personal branding journey. It is ideal platform to build a personal brand, strong personal brand, and for the brand awareness as well. So when I first started my own company, which was a year and a half ago, and since I'm serving service-oriented professionals, and entrepreneurs, consultants, coaches, I have started using LinkedIn for the purpose of increasing my brand awareness, my company's brand awareness. And that's because simply it was a startup company. So in order for people to buy from you, especially if you're service-oriented professional, so if you're providing services like any type of consultancy services, online services, if you have an online business as well, as long as it's not about the product, then people need to know you better. And they need to know your company, and they need to know who's the owner of the company, in order to build that bond with your potential clients, with your audience, so that they can actually start liking you and start trusting you, because there will be no sales involved without your potential clientele liking you and trusting you. So it is about building the credibility as well. And the first step in that, whether you want to create a credibility, strong credibility online, or whether you want to create a strong personal brand. So the first step is to start with creating a strong all-star LinkedIn profile. So in brief, that would be it. I hope you have found this video useful, and if you find value in it, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell button in order to get notified about my future videos. I am posting videos about personal branding on LinkedIn, about tips and tricks on LinkedIn, and I am also helping service-oriented professionals and small business entrepreneurs by providing them with some news from the business world, as well as social media and digital marketing news. So if any of these interests you, I will be thankful if you would like this video in order for more people to get a chance to learn more about creating an all-star LinkedIn profile. Thank you again for your attention, and please comment below if you have any questions. I'll be more than glad to answer those.